it's very important to protect your iPhone 14 Pro Max using a screen protector. So let's get started. The mechanism designed by LK makes it really easy to install screen protector. First, you need to open this case, which can be opened only from one side, the side that I'm showing in here. One screen protector is already attached in here, and it also has got a spare screen protector. So take that out. On it you can see the step to install the screen protector. So inside we got an extra screen protector and auxiliary kit. This is the hole where your cameras would fit in. Insert your phone in a way that the cameras would be inside that hole. Open the auxiliary kit and then use the wet wipe to thoroughly clean your screen. This step is so important to do it properly, because if you leave any dirt on, it will be stuck between your screen and the screen protector. So take your time and clean it well. Then use the dry cloth to dry the screen. You could also wait a few minutes to make sure everything is dried up or evaporated. Now, where the screen protector is installed, there is a film that you need to make sure it is outside while closing the case. So make sure the case is completely closed. You should hear the click when the case is closed. Now we are ready to pull the film out. So hold the case with one hand and pull the film straight out with the other hand. Then the screen protector would start sticking to your phone screen. In order to help the screen to stick better, hold your finger in here for around 20 seconds. You could also try to press other parts of the screen where you see bubbles start appearing. But don't worry, I have made another video which you can find the link in the description on how to remove bubbles from screen protector. So now you can open the case and take the phone out. As you can see, by using this mechanism, we were able to perfectly fit the screen protector on the screen, and the touch screen works very well even though we got the screen protector on. It is almost invisible. If you're interested in buying this screen protector, you can find the Amazon link in the description. I have got a few other videos related to this screen protector which you can find on the screen and in the description below.